Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has literally been a hot minute since I have made a YouTube video, and I just wanted to come back, and I thought I had this brilliant idea of making a video where I have literally got 2 hours to clean my wardrobe up. I've just moved into a new house with my boyfriend, and we built these amazing wardrobes, and now I've got to pack them up with all the clothes. I've got friends coming over, and there's literally so much that I have to do before they come over. But this is the main thing, because the hallway is literally a mess. There are boxes and boxes and boxes of everything, of all my clothes, and I've got to get all my clothes in here. So literally, these are the wardrobes that we have put together. As you can see, it's an absolute mess, and I've literally got to fix all of this, which is my side. There's a little step ladder right here for me to reach the top. But I mean, how amazing do they look? Like, I am literally so obsessed with them. Oh my god, like, how good do they look? Seriously, besides the mess, which looks like shiza, I mean, I literally love it. Like, this is my side, and oh my god, this is Regan's side. His side looks way better than mine at the moment, and he's literally just packed it all away to make space for me. It's just gonna look good. So once I get like clothes in here, I think we're gonna put like a mirror right here, and then we're thinking of getting a couch to go in here, or some sort of a seat, and maybe like a cool rug, so it's nice and cozy, and I can come in here, and Regan can come in here, and it can just be a cute little dress up room. So I feel like you're literally not ready to see the mess, the boxes, the disaster that I have to deal with, and I've got to get this done in under 2 hours. I have no idea how I'm gonna do that, but it has to be done. Like, I literally don't have a choice. Bless me. Okay, so are you ready for this? This is literally all the stuff. So I've literally got to get all of this, like, there's literally like shoes and clothes, and I have no idea. This is like my year 12 formal dress and bags. Oh my god, and all this stuff. Okay, does anyone remember this? How cool. Cannot believe I still have that. So I've literally got to get all of this into here in literally under 2 hours. And I've also got to clean up all these drawers as well, which is an absolute disaster. So alright, so I've literally got all my stuff in here now. I have to get all of that up here somehow. I have no idea. So let's see if we can do it. Wish me luck. Okay, you know when you literally got so much to do and you're like, how in the world am I ever gonna get through this, or where do I ever begin? This is literally me right now. Like, oh my god. Okay, I'm literally gonna show you all the shit that I have. Okay. Oh my god. god, there is literally so much that I need to get through. Oh my god. You guys ever get like super distracted when you're like cleaning up your room and then you find stuff like this that you've literally never worn in ages? I mean, oh my god, how amazing are they? They are the limited edition. Oh my god, this box is so... The Fenty by Puma collab. Can you guys see that? Love that for me. Alrighty guys, can you see that? The time is literally 3:42. I've got till 4:30 to be done with this. 4:30, which means we've got less than an hour, and I am so stressed out. Oh my gosh. Honestly, this mountain is going to be the death of me. Like,
the next day.
hello guys, it is me again. I'm an idiot and my camera literally died on me yesterday, so here I am again on a Sunday recording this video. Please do not judge me. I literally put on the same thing as yesterday because I didn't want to touch the masterpiece of my wardrobe and ruin it before I showed it to you guys as well. So I hope that you guys like what I've done, and yeah. Okay, and just for the record, the best thing about the IKEA wardrobes is literally the soft touch. Did you see that? So if I close it, it goes in by itself. How cool is that? Love that. And then thank you guys so much for watching the video. Let me know what you think. I would love to do more of this. I still have to organize my beauty and makeup drawer and skincare and things like that, so maybe I can do another one of these. Let me know. Thank you. Bye.